Hello, my name is Sally Ann Saylor, and I want to share my book with you today. It's called A Little Bird Told Me That Love is a Verb, and it was illustrated by the incredibly talented Anna Lindgren. My house is full from the bottom to the top. I have a little sis, a big bro, a mom, and a pop. We also have fur friends, and sometimes Aunt Sue. She visits in summer, and at holidays too. Some days we get along, and I love you fills the air. But other days, that air is filled with mine. Get out. No fair. When my full house gets loud, and I'm feeling unheard, I walk through the forest and talk to the birds. I talk to the robins and the little chickadees. I talk to the flickers, and they talk to me. On just such a day, not long ago, I met a young nuthatch who was flying real low. She sat on a tree trunk, upside down as they do, and sang me a song from morning till noon. That little bird told me that love is a verb. She tweeted it sweetly, and here's every word. She sang, a verb is an action, like dance, jump, or play. Love is a verb, not just something that you say. Love is an action, like a wink or a smile. The smallest of gestures can last a long while. That little nuthatch was one smart little bird. I felt my heart growing with every word. She chirped, put your feelings in motion with a card or a letter. Knowing you're loved makes every day better. Love can't be measured with rulers or pie charts. Love is infinite when it comes from your heart. They say owls are wise and magpies and crows, but that red-breasted nuthatch is the smartest I know. She trumpeted for effect. Love can be loud, then quietly, or the softest of whispers. Love should be shared between brothers and sisters. Sharing is easy, even babies can do it. When you give love, you get love. That's all there is to it. I thank that nuthatch for a lesson well learned. Then I ran home to my family for a love fest well earned. I hugged my mom, my pop, and my goofy Aunt Sue. I kissed my big brother who shouted out, ew! I brushed the dog and then scratched the cat's ears. I tickled my baby sis till we both were in tears. Love is a verb. You can do it every day with your actions and deeds and with every word you say. At the end of the story, there's an extra page, and it gives families the chance to start a dialogue about how you can put love into action. How do you show your family love, your community, the earth? I think right now it's an important time, maybe more than ever, to have this conversation. And I would love to know your ideas. If you would like to share them, you can go to sallyansaylor.com and let me know how you are putting love into action. It can be something as simple as writing a letter to your grandma, coloring a picture for your little sister, or something bigger. I would love to know your ideas. Please share them with me. I know that it's very difficult in this time to be physically apart, but I hope we remember that we can all be together in our hearts. Never forget, you are loved beyond measure. Thanks for listening.